continuing on. CNC Group break number 1622 with 1213 certified and SP game used. Finish this bad boy off. Johnson is still the Kings there. Okay. Not going crazy. All right, we start with a mirror blue, number 99 for the San Jose Sharks, Martin Havlat. Martin Havlat. We've got a Path to the Cup dual jersey, number 250, which will be randomed between the Bruins and Capitals, Milan Lucic and Dennis Wideman. Milan Lucic, Dennis Wideman. We've got a certified stars to 999 for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. We've got a certified signatures for the Buffalo Sabres, Marcus Foligno. Marcus Foligno. We've got an Immortals Mirror Red, number 100 for the Hartford Whalers, a.k.a. the Carolina Hurricanes, Ron Francis. Ronnie Franchise. We've got a Fabric of the Game, number 299 for the Colorado Avalanche, Eric Johnson. We got a Path to the Cup duel, number 399, which will be random between the Red Wings and Predators, Patrick Hornqvist and Pavel Datsyuk. We've got a Masked Marvels, the 999 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Ilya Bryzgalov. Base. And we finish with a freshman signatures, number 999 for the New York Islanders, Casey Cizikas. Casey Cizikas. All right, on to the SP game used. We've got Authentic Fabrics for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Brett Connolly. We've got Authentic Fabrics for the LA Kings, Dustin Brown. We've got Authentic Fabrics for the Ottawa Senators, Daniel Alfredson. Nice. We've got an Authentic Fabrics dual patch, numbered 17/25, which will be randomed between the Rangers and Kings, Rick Nash and Mike Richards. Rick Nash, Mike Richards. And we finish with a draft day marks, number 35, for the Colorado Avalanche, Tyson Barrie. Tyson Barrie. Alrighty, multi-randoms coming up.